Hello friends, today I will show you how to automate a login page having recaptcha using Java and Selenium. So let us start. First I'll create a Maven project. I'm choosing Java version as a 8 and Spring Boot 2.7.17 and project as Maven. Clicked on generate. It will generate a source code. Now let's open this code in IntelliJ. Okay, this is the source code. Now go to pom.xml, add Selenium dependency, Selenium Java. Right click on the POM, Maven and select reload project. Try to find the Chrome version. This is the Chrome version. Try to download the Chrome driver. Exact driver version is not available, so I'm downloading the closest matched driver. It is downloaded. I'm copying it in the project folder. Chrome driver is added in the folder. I'm using post construct annotation. As soon as Spring application is completed, it will run the post construct method. Add remote allow origin star. Enter the website where CAPTCHA is shown on login page. The login page is there and CAPTCHA is asked. So we have to automate this page. Let's check if Chrome is getting open and this URL is being hit. Okay, I have to allow the software Chrome driver to be executed. You can see the Chrome browser is open. The URL is added into the address bar and the page is open. And after 5 seconds, it is closing the browser. Now let's try to uh, enter the username and password in the web page. So username is the ID of username field and password is the ID of password field. I'm adding password here. I'm taking this password field from the configuration. Now I have to submit the form. There are 3 ways to submit the form. The first way is invoke submit method of any input element that is present inside the form. The second way is find login button and click on invoke click method of that web element. This is the X path. Dot click. So this is the another way to submit the form. Third way is to find out the form element. Let's find out what is the form ID. This is the form ID and submit that form. So these are the three ways to submit a form. So let's first test the input submit. Let's check what happens if I don't submit CAPTCHA. Okay, it didn't find the properties. Let's add those properties, the password property. Yes, now it is showing that bots are not allowed. So the CAPTCHA is not submitted. That's why this error is there. Let's solve this CAPTCHA now. So the first way is to clone this repository on local. I clone this repository, then execute this command. So I'm going into the terminal and executing this command. This is successful. I'm closing this. Now include this dependency in the POM. Let's go into the POM, add this dependency, right click on POM, Maven, reload project, then solve CAPTCHA. So I have to solve CAPTCHA here after entering the password. It requires logger. So let's declare logger here. Logger is added. Now it will require fast CAPTCHA API key. So I'm passing API key here and declaring API key from configuration. Then G recaptcha site key. I can find the site key in this website where we are trying to solve the CAPTCHA. This is the data site key, so you can directly find it in the page data site key. And this value is nothing but the G recaptcha site key. And website URL is nothing but the main level domain where this CAPTCHA is shown. I got the response. Now what is the next step? Inject obtain token. So this is how I have to inject the token. This is WebDriver or driver. Done. I have added the API key in the configuration. Let's run the project now. Okay, username and password is entered. Now script is waiting for the CAPTCHA. It will take some time to solve the CAPTCHA. So the CAPTCHA is solved, and now I have been logged into the fast CAPTCHA server. Okay, yeah. This is closed. Thank you for watching the video. If you want to know the details, I'll share this code, and if you still need any help, please reach out to me. Thank you for watching the video.